happy Valentine's Day. Yes, I'm filming on the same day, I'm uploading on the same day. I pray this goes up before 12, but yes, I'm filming today. Happy Valentine's Day, and this is a special video. I did two lips in this makeup tutorial. I wanted to do more, but I really had to edit this like right now, and it's going to be like a Valentine's Day get ready with me. So for the very first part of my foundation routine, I have sped that up, and then when I get to the eyes, I kind of slow it down a bit for you guys. And I'm just wearing my Jewelz By Jai necklace. If you want to purchase, you can use the discount code that's in the description bar below. And I'm just wearing like this off the shoulder dress. It's like a little mini dress. So that's all I'm wearing for today. We're not sure what we're doing today still. I think we're just going to hang together. I mean, you know, once I got my boo. We can't do that. Yeah, so this hair, I'm going to film a hair update on this hair soon, but after I edit this, then I'm going to film this hair update for you guys. So through this entire tutorial, I was watching some YouTube videos and I was just cracking up, so please forgive me for that. But yeah, that's basically it for this intro. I won't keep it any long. Really hope you guys enjoy this, and thank you so much for your support. We're at 120,000 subscribers. Woo woo! Yes, honey, this little Jamaican girl I do her thing, boy. Which wasn't really Jamaican accent. Let me go back. Boy, I meant to the Jamaican girl and she just turn up, so Jesus. Enjoy the video, guys.
Hey, babe. I got something I want to tell you. Personally, I don't know how you gonna take this, but I gotta let you know that I gotta let you go.
The pain, it goes so deep when I think of what you did to me, and how I lost a part of me because I loved you. Forgiving you is the last thing on my mind. When they ask me if I'm alright, I smile, but I hate you, and I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. It takes so long for you to know, say you never want me. Although you tell me, some me a wifey, but you're in it. See, they know you're in it. I know me can't stand to see your face. All of the years from my waist, your hands run my waist, the kisses, the embrace, you're in it. See, they know you're in it, in it. I know I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. Yeah. Ooh, I need to be free. Yeah. I need to be free again. To love again.
See, I've been going through a lot of stuff this month, girl, and I've been feeling to break up, girl. I met this girl, she rocks my world.
No.
But I got a little crazy over you and over her, and I didn't know what to do, so I'm ending it.
Don't do this.
I'm sorry, but I'm ending it.
Don't do this to me, Father. But tired of the pain again, another heartbreak again and again and again. And when it all go end, 'cause from me I fall in love, me I get hurt. Them scars, yeah, I mash up my self-worth. All they want is what they under my skirt, and me get hurt. Me need to be free. Me need to be free, yeah. For be free, for be free, for be free. Jehovah Rapha, oh, me need ya. Forgive me free. The song ya I go prove you belong to me, and I belong to you. I'll close my eyes and write how much I'm desperately in love with you. Firm, I'ma now go let go. Cause if me move on, then I will me I go. You're stepping on my life, you are my life. Me are your wife, me need you enough. You capture my heart, the people are gonna know it's me are your staff. You are my Moses, a song for my heart. Anytime me get stony, are you alone? My wife is around me. I don't want nothing more, just your Shekinah to pour. I'll close my eyes, open the door, so I can be here forevermore. Of you is what I want, no time off, that's what I want. What you have is what I want. You're all I want. I belong to you. You're my melody. The song you have to prove you belong to me. I belong to you. I close my eyes and write how much I'm desperately in love with you. Belong to me, and I belong to you, and you're my melody. The song you have to prove you belong to me, and I belong to you, and I'll close my eyes and write how much I'm desperately in love with you. I'm 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 in love with you. In love with you. In love with you. You belong to me, and I belong to you, and you are my melody, and this is going to prove how much I belong to you and you. I don't want nothing more, just your Shekinah to pour. I'll close my eyes, open the door. I wanna be here forever. More of you is what I want. No time off, I got my want. What you have, I got my want. You're all I want. I want you more. I want you more. I want you, Jesus.
like to dream when no one's around. I'm like a seed buried deep in the ground, down incubating on my big surprise, watching and waiting for the day I may rise. And someday I'll be smelling sweet. Oh, someday, someday, someday soon. Oh, someday, counted the days on the back of my head. I know what it's like to feel but not say, to want something different when things are the same. And someday you get a chance to change.
Them say you that find a wife find a good thing, not true. And you know me can't spot a good thing from afar. Chanochi, I don't know what a girl you do to me in a star. Me guarantee, me can't just go in on me car and leave. It's go to the R&C, got the man of God singing R&B. The love you come with a lifetime warranty. Yeah, about to make down a statement of the century. Listen, I like her, I'd wife her. Me and her have a special connection, she are my Wi-Fi girl. Me and her go way back, kinda like typewriters. I find her irresistible, woman of God. You know someone want it, me know say you want it. The photo we want it, so let's go get it. I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down with you. So let's go get it, let's go get it. I know from the first time I saw you, it was just like a cartoon. The way I was drawn to you, get it? Yeah, baby, try not forget I am your baby and I am your friend. Hey pretty lady, try to remember. Satan no want to see anything good happen. You got to hold on to true love when you spot it. You got it, I got it, we got the magic. Yeah, me I am an addict of your L-O-V-E, I can't stop it. I like her, I'd wife her. Me and her have a special connection, she are my Wi-Fi girl. Me and her go way back, kinda like typewriters. I find her irresistible, woman of God. You know some want it. Me know say you want it. The both of we want it. So let's go get it. I wanna settle down. I wanna settle down. I wanna settle down with you. So let's go get it. Let's go get it. Yeah. You ask for something different. Well, hello, hello, me. I am something different from hello, hello, he, you. Immaculate and pretty, so articulate and witty. Please accept the love I'm giving you. God hear the prayer, the two of we did pray the same night. The circumstance behind us being it full up a strange side. The love between you and me definitely fairy tale like Jasmine and Aladdin, Rapunzel and Princess Ariel. I like her, I'd wife her. Me and her have a special connection, she are my Wi-Fi girl. Me and her go way back, kinda like typewriters. I find her irresistible, woman of God. You know so me want it, me know so you want it. The both of we want it, so let's go get it. I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down. So let's go get it, let's go get it. Me love something and let it go. It come back and me mess it up. But if God ever make it come a third time, you're mine, girl. I know that without you there's not a shadow of doubt in if I can survive. But I just don't want try, I just don't want my life to be without you. And you don't want to without me. When I messed up in round 2, but I'll do better in round 3. Allow me to introduce the new me. I love you unconditionally, but this time I listen to you. I like her, I'd wife her. Me and her have a special connection, she are my Wi-Fi girl. Me and her go way back, kinda like typewriters. I find her irresistible, woman of God. You know so me want it, me know so you want it. The both of we want it, so let's go get it. I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down, I wanna settle down. So let's go get it, let's go get it. John O'Beals. You know so I think this set up different from morning, you know. Our love story never make like the rest of them, is it? Or some fairy tale with the dip on, you know. I know say it start like a fairy tale, it still can end like one. You know. And I don't like someone never try to walk you out or anything, but it's like every road I go up and just lead me straight back to your full circle. Can't escape you. And maybe they might not even be around 3. Maybe you're not going to even see the changes I've made. But no matter which part of life take you, just remember say at least somebody they approach you with some genuine stuff.
Just your Chicago.